Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook cover photo. So that's the photo that appears at the top of your Facebook page, which is great real estate for actually advertising your business. So it's something that you want to put a bit of time into. There is the option to buy one on somewhere like Fiverr, but I think it's really handy to know how to do it yourself, especially if the holiday season's coming up and you just want to quickly change something. Maybe you have an ebook you want to promote for people to download. Maybe you have a special offer. It's handy to be able to do these things yourself. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to canva.com. And the reason that I suggest using canva.com is because it has all of the templates in the correct size for you. So it saves worrying about what the dimensions are. You just click on the custom design and just go ahead and start building it. So we just want to click on more, and if you scroll down to the social media section, so I think it's down here, social media and email headers, you're going to choose Facebook cover. Okay, once you've clicked on that, then you'll have the option of some different templates. So there's some that are free, some that are paid. Really most of these are going to be ones where you're just going to use the style of it and maybe switch out the photos to obviously something that's pet related or whatever it is that your business is. The other option then is to actually, like I say, you can use some of these different ones here, is to actually just upload a photo and overlay some text on it. It can be as simple as that. It doesn't need to be complicated, it just needs to be clear, and you need to be advertising your business. So if none of these appeal to you, then scroll down to the actual blank template. And the reason that's good to use these actual blank templates is that once you drag in an image, it'll actually sort of resize it to fit that space for you rather than you trying to drag the image out. It kind of just does all that for you, and it'll just bring it into this space. So if you're not going to use one of these templates, put on the blank template, and then let's pick a picture. So we could just use any picture that maybe we've uploaded from somewhere else, or you can search for a cat or dog picture among the paid images on Canva. So all you need to do then is just drag that picture in and see how it just automatically resizes it for you. The next thing you want to do then is you want to actually put on some text. So you can use some of the blank, sort of the plain text options, or you can use some of these. And what these are, they're kind of like different designs that you can use that are already kind of formatted. Most of them are free, there are some paid ones, but you should be able to find something good within the free option. Now remember, when you're creating these, you want to use the colours from your actual website. So whether your branded colours are, try and tie it in with those, as well as the font. You want to try and make it a look as similar to your branding as you possibly can. So say we were just going to add some text on here. We could perhaps put in here, book a pet sitter, and then just change the bottom one to, let's have that in caps, today. And we probably get rid of this small bit of text there, and we can just resize this. Then you can just drag that down to fit it in. If you wanted to change the font, then all you would do is just go into here and pick whichever font it is that you use on your website and change those to match it. The other thing that's quite good to do is you can actually put in a arrow to your contact us button. So if you have a look on the Pet Sitters Island page here that I'm showing you, we want people to contact us, and they can contact us through the button, the call to action button on Facebook. So it's a good idea to just kind of direct them there. So there's loads of different arrows that you can choose from. So one that can be quite nice is this one. You're actually just resizing it there, and it kind of sits about there. Sometimes you need to fiddle around with it just to make sure that it's in the right place. But you can see that's just going to sit just above the contact us button, and it's going to give people a bit of direction. The other thing you might want to do is you might want to put on your phone number. So you might put a little bit of body text, and you might just put call. Just put our number on here, 30 30 10. You can just make that a little bit bigger, and you can put it above your logo there. So that's just giving the opportunity for people to call you. You're putting your number on there as well. You might want to bold that, change it to the colours. But you can see how quickly you can create something fairly simple, but that looks clean and looks nice and has the call to action on it. There are other features, like if you wanted to resize this, then you could do one to match for Twitter. You could do one for your YouTube channel. You know, make sure that they're all consistent across it. And as I say, if you're coming up to Christmas, you want to just pick some nice Christmas themed pictures. Don't make it too busy, just something that's nice and bright and reflects your business.